This video I want to show how to check the sediment cap. It's 10mm screw, and then you need to unscrew it. It's right below the valve, the fuel valve that you don't need to touch, but just need to unscrew this small cap. Be careful. So I don't see anything like dramatic here too. It kind of looks clear to me. Maybe a few drops of sand or something on the bottom. Yeah, I can see it, but it does the job. So I'm really happy that it doesn't go into the engine. Right, that's it basically. Now you can put it back. Just make sure to clean it. And then you will put it back together with the gasket.